Konichiwa to my kimono wearers and friends. We're in Kanazawa meeting Japan Idol contestants, getting accosted by school kids, and seeing some of the more traditional Kanazawa sights. The Nagamachi samurai district, with its narrow lanes, earthen walls and water canals. A must visit in the samurai district is the Nomura-ke, a restored samurai residence with an absolute oasis of a garden. Wait a few seconds, this isn't the garden I'm talking about, this is just the front yard.
The typical samurai house. Oh wow, that's beautiful.
I don't really know. Because a lot of the places.
How's the serenity? Japanese gardens are designed for quiet contemplation and spiritual renewal. They encompass harmony, minimalism, and asymmetry. And in plain speak, they look bloody unreal. Kanazawa has three beautifully preserved geisha districts. This here is Higashi Chaya. It was here where we were surrounded by marauding samurai school children offering sweets.
Ohayou gozaimasu.
Today only special event Coco.
Is there? What's in there?
Japanese sweet.
Japanese sweets.
Yeah.
Are they tasty?
Tasty, very tasty.
Very, very tasty. Okay.
It's okay.
They're okay?
Okay.
Eat.
Eat okay. Eat.
I can eat.
These kids were ruthless. They threatened us with thumb fights. These traditional Japanese sweets are dango. They come in different variations. These are bochin dango, I think.
Open.
What flavor?
She's gonna tell us.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
They're working. Here on the top.
What's yellow?
Yellow is English Koshian.
Koshian.
After we escaped from the school kids' lair, it was back to exploring Higashi Chaya. Kanazawa produces almost all of Japan's gold leaf. In fact, Kanazawa actually means marsh of gold. One website said Kanazawa produces over 100% of Japan's gold leaf, which is an impossibility. In the same way that budgie speaking clearly is an impossibility. If you don't want to lash out on one of these, the cheaper option is an ice cream topped with gold leaf.
You're fucking hilarious, Rob. I know. So good. Get out of the freaking way.
Let's get a feed. Ramen place not far from the station. I'll leave details in the description. Looks super fishy, but flavour was spot on.
Smell like an attack party of my meal. I've got a lot of... No, that's right.
Just showing off my chopstick skills. It ain't easy when you're recording with the other hand. Yeah, I am.
Oh.
There we go, that's better. We all loved our ramens. We are at Omicho Market searching for a big feed. Definitely worth checking out Omicho Market when in Kanazawa. Here's the goodness. We're going for some wagyu. It was good. We were hoping for great. More ramen, this time at Ikudo Kanazawa in the Forest shopping mall. Keep going. Don't choke.
Slurp, slurp, slurp.
That was maximum effort. I gave myself a headache. Hotel Vista, Kanazawa, a very easy walk from the station. This is a superior double, specifically for superior doubles. Your dollars definitely go further outside of Tokyo. This is a decent sized room. All this we got for 37,000 yen for 3 nights, with brekkie. Now let's get to breakfast. there was enough variety here to keep us all happy.
It's not a big. It's not as. I'm not as hungry this morning.
Why not? Big dinner. Some yakiniku. We were hoping for a wagyu yakiniku experience like last year in Tokyo, but we didn't quite get our research right this time. It was okay, but we were aiming for blow your socks off unreal, so in hindsight it probably wasn't okay. Okay, our time in Kanazawa is coming to an end. Thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!